What's up everyone, this is YouTube Ken back with another video. I just definitely wanted to make a video for new Tesla model owners or people who are waiting for their new Tesla like myself. I really feel like these things will make our life so much easier, either if we're at home or if we're out on the road. These items are not in any order of importance. I will definitely leave the links down below for you if you want to check them out. Most of them are Tesla OEM that I ordered directly through Tesla. So the first item is a lifting jack pad that I ordered on Amazon from someone called Shirano, I believe. I'll definitely leave that in the description in case you wanted to buy it. One thing I like about this, that it came in a very nice compact case, hard shell. That will take care of the jack pads. So I'll let you see it. So these are little pucks that you put underneath the carriage of your vehicle where your battery is located. So I'll let you see that. Not too big. This helps support your battery that's underneath your car, basically. So if you are traveling and you have a flat or something like that, these will basically help you if you need to replace your tire, if you take it to a tire shop or something like that. Basically, you need these. This was, if you do it with the regular jack, it would just basically damage the battery underneath your car, basically. So these are very important. I believe the current price on Amazon right now is $23.89, so it's not really that bad. They have many different options if you wanted to choose something cheaper without a case or whatever. So the first one, that is definitely the jack pad. The second thing is the tire kit. So basically, this is one of these that I ordered directly from Tesla, but you can definitely find some different options. Probably cheaper, I'm sure, but I think this kit is 80 bucks, is what I believe at the time of recording this video. So basically, there's some buttons on there if you wanted to do the air pressure or you wanted to do the tire repair sealant. So you'll see the button that is right there. So it's really good to have. So if you're on the side of the road, you need to, your car alerts you that you have low air pressure in your tires. That could lead to a flat. Put some air in there and then basically you might be fine. If not, you might want to try the sealant, which will seal that little puncture in your tire that can possibly get you to a tire shop. And one good thing about this thing, I don't know about the other ones that maybe Amazon sells, one thing about it is you can plug it directly into your cigarette lighter. Very convenient. This type of thing is so important. Tesla does not have a spare tire. So when you buy your new Tesla, whichever Tesla you get, it will not have a spare tire from what I believe. I know the Model 3, it does not. I don't know about the S or X. So this is the second thing. It's really good, really much needed wherever you buy it from. The next one is the mobile connector adapter. So basically, I believe you just get this through Tesla unless you get it through a third party for cheaper. But basically, there are various mobile connector adapters that you can get depending on what outlet that you have. I'll show you the extra one that I got, because I did order two, because I did get the NEMA 1450 outlet installed in my garage. That will charge my car 30 miles an hour. If you just use a regular outlet, which you can get extra adapters for that as well, it charges it 3 to 5 miles per hour. Whatever floats your boat. So I'm sure you've seen this many times on other videos, but I just wanted to let you know. I mean, you may go to your folks' house, they might have a NEMA 1450 outlet, it would be nice to have one when you're traveling as well. They're not that much. They're about $35 a piece. You can buy a bundle on the Tesla website of various adapters as well. And I think it's $225. I didn't think it was worth it for me. The next one is a cable organizer, which you can't really see the picture on there. But basically, I went with the Tesla one. Amazon has a ton of them, and they're all really good, most of them, depending on kind of like your setup. I'll definitely show you how my setup is in my garage. As you can see, my my electrician installed it upside down, I guess. I'm not an electrician, so I don't know. This two-part adapter, which I don't have it in here because it's already set up, but you'll see on the pictures that I provide to you, that two-part cable organizer 2.0 that I bought, it basically holds that connector in place. So definitely a must. One thing, I mean, I guess you can argue and say it's really not a must, but I think it is. I mean, you're in your garage, you might drive over the cables with your vehicle. You might have a kid that messes with the cable, which is a no-no. I think it's just good to keep it off ground. It looks better in your garage. So, cool. And last but not least, I bought from Amazon a 10 drive. It's for your key cards. So basically, as you all know, I'm sure you've watched a lot of Tesla videos like myself, is you only have really 2 keys. I mean, you could get 3 if you buy the, I don't know what it's called, I forgot. But you have your smartphone and you also have your credit card keys, and they provide you 2. So basically, I got this off of Amazon. I cannot remember what the price is. I don't know what all this stuff is for, but basically it's like a silicone material, as you can see right there, and then on the front it's just like a plastic holder in see-through that you can see on there. So it's really good. I got 2 of them as well, which is really nice for my 2 key cards. Also with these key card holders, you have like this little thing here, if you can see that. Or you can hook it to your pants loop or anything like that. And I guess these are some way you can do it. They come with little tools. I don't know if you can see that. That's really, really small on there. I'll figure it out. I ain't got the car yet, so whatever. So that one was pretty short and sweet. I mean, that was the one I really didn't consider putting it in there, but if you lose your key, I mean, like any other traditional key, right? You're in trouble, especially a car that's basically a computer. Yeah, so I really wanted to make this video. I'm not a Tesla owner yet, but I've watched so many videos. So basically I felt like these accessories was more important than just getting like a console wrap or all those other little accessories. There's probably thousands of them, you know, on different company sites and on Amazon. But I hope you find this very important when you do, you know, buy your Tesla, whichever Tesla that you get, because this is just not for the Tesla Model 3. I really hope this video was informative for you. And please, please, if you have any questions, leave the comments for me. I mean, I don't have that many subscribers, as you know, so I'll definitely respond to you. And thanks for the people who either liked it or commented on my videos. You know who you are. But honestly, if you have any questions about any of these accessories or having any issues finding them or something's going on, let me know. Leave me a comment. And please subscribe to my video. And if you liked it, thought it was informative, like it. That's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This is YouTube Ken, signing off.